Okay. So this clip, it has two sides. So the other guys, they're basically half of this. This one has two sides. So let's do the middle is right here. And you want to insert it on one. And then you get the other one. And you have to turn it a bit. Oh, that's it. Easy. Now there is some sag. Probably it's like 3 or 4 centimeter, which I think is it's normal, because you can pretend that some fabric will stay, will follow the shape of the roof. Of course, it's very difficult. So there's a bag.